In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Pluto TV. So in order to do this, you first need to head over into your Pluto TV. If you don't have it yet, you can head over to your Play Store or App Store and search for Pluto TV and make sure to actually install it on your actual TV. Once it's been installed, you can head over and change the language into the one that you're most comfortable. So on this case, we have right here this article that can help us to change the language. So in order to see, as you can see, unfortunately, Flow TV doesn't offer the option of changing the language of the audio for the moment. So this means that if the material you're watching is in Spanish, you will watch it in Spanish. However, it enables subtitles, so that is something that you can actually control on your own. So this means that Flow TV doesn't have a dubbing service, but it has a subbing service. So you just need to hover to the settings tab and enable closed captions right there. Tap on the captions option, enable it, and then when you're watching, you can tap on the display and click on the CC option. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.